At 65 years old, Harland Sanders had nothing. No business, no savings. Just a $105 Social Security check and a fried chicken recipe he believed in with his whole soul. While most people his age were settling into retirement, he got in his car and started driving restaurant to restaurant asking strangers to sell his chicken. He heard no 1,009 times. On attempt 1,010, someone finally said yes. Today that yes feeds people in over 145 countries. His name is on every bucket, Colonel Sanders. This is why age was never his excuse, and why it isn't yours either. Promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the 3 things Harland Sanders did at the age most people give up that built one of the most recognized brands on earth. And by the end, you'll understand exactly why "I'm too old to start" is one of the most expensive lies you can tell yourself. Lesson 1. 40 years of failure is not a verdict. It's preparation. Before fried chicken, Sanders failed at almost everything. A railroad fireman, a lawyer disbarred after a courtroom brawl with his own client, an insurance salesman, a tire salesman, a ferry boat operator whose business collapsed. By 40, he had failed at 5 careers. He wasn't a prodigy who got lucky early. He was a man who kept trying new things for 2 decades because none of them had worked yet. That's the part nobody tells you. The overnight success story actually started with 40 years of nobody clapping. Your failures right now are not proof you redisqualified. They're proof you haven't found the right thing yet, and you allowed to keep looking. Lesson 2. Losing everything at 65 was the beginning, not the end. In 1955, a new highway bypassed his restaurant. Traffic vanished overnight. He was forced to sell at auction. After his debts were paid, Sanders had almost nothing left. He was 65. Society would have completely understood if he quietly retired on that small check. Instead, he packed a pressure cooker and a case of spices into his car and started driving. For the next 2 years, he slept in his car more nights than in a bed, cooking free samples in kitchens that weren't his, and getting rejected again and again. He didn't treat 65 as an ending. He treated it as the start of the only chapter that actually mattered. Lesson 3. You only need one yes. In 1952, a restaurant owner named Pete Harmon in Salt Lake City finally said yes. The deal: 5 cents for every piece of chicken sold under Sanders' name. That one yes tripled Harmon's sales within a year. Word spread. By 1963, over 600 restaurants carried Sanders' recipe. At 74, he sold the company for $2 million. Nobody remembers his 1,009 rejections. The entire world remembers the one yes that came after. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You need one right person at one right moment and the patience to still be standing when they show up. Summary: 40 years of failed careers. Losing everything at 65. 1,009 rejections before a single yes. Harland Sanders' secret was never talent or luck. It was refusing to let his age write his ending. If a 65-year-old with $105 to his name could build a global empire your age, your bank balance, and your past failures were never valid excuses either. What's the excuse you've been hiding behind? Age, money, timing? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to the Summary Society for more stories like this one. If this resonated, the next video is on screen. Watch it now.